Here's a feature that I love about my Norsonic sound analyzers. This is a Norsonic 145, and it's got the ability to screen share. I'm running it wirelessly, no cables now, over Wi-Fi, and I can screen share this to an app on my computer or my smartphone or my tablet, whatever. At the moment I'm using the computer, and I can remote control also. So I got the graphical interface here on the screen. So if I just click setup, for instance, you can see that the instrument follows. So it's a very useful feature, this. So if you just want to move around in the different menus, and it's also quite responsive as well. And this is especially useful when you're going to do education or laboratory exercises. I'm going to do a distance education lab exercise of sound insulation measurement soon, and this will come in very handy, because then I can just walk the students through. I will do a sound insulation measurement myself and explain every step in the process that I do, and they can always see this instrument screen and understand what's going on. I will use a lapel microphone. I won't use this one, because this one you have to be close to it, so that does not work when you're walking around doing measurements. But there are solutions for that as well, of course. You just need to have a little clip-on mic that's wireless here, and you pick the audio from that one, and then they will see and hear what you're doing. I would even, the perfect thing would be if you could attach a little GoPro camera on your chest here, so you get the first person shooter view, like Doom, but with sound insulation measurements instead of big shotguns. That would be so cool, to be able to walk around and they will see what I see, and they will have a screen capture of the device. And I think that would be very valuable if you're going to do a laboratory exercise as a distance education. It is possible. We just have to find the solutions. And thank you, Norsonic, for implementing this very, very useful feature. I really like it. If you want to do this in the field, you can do it too. And then I would recommend that you get one of these, a little battery-powered router. I'm not using this one at the moment. I'm using my office network. But if you got this one in the field, just fire it up. It's battery-powered, can easily run for a day. And then you can connect your Norsonic equipment to this one, your computer, your smartphones, and everything. And that way you can remote control a measurement in situ using your phone. And this one is perhaps standing on a tripod in the next room or whatever. But I have found that the best results with regards to connection stability, it's to use a really good mobile router. Because the built-in hotspots in the phones and stuff, it's not stable enough. They are too weak, but this one is strong, and that's good. And in today's video, I'm wearing a green jacket, charcoal turtleneck, a little white and blue pocket square when I pick up the blue again in the pants. And this is because it's so cold outdoors, and this is the colors that I see. The green I see in the trees, but there's snow still lying around. It just refuses to melt. Please can just get a bit warmer now, because I really want to have a bit of summer, because I'm sick and tired of the cold and the wet. So that's why I chose this color combination, because it reflects Mother Nature today. See you later.